Now it got quiet. So here we are, we just put this house down today. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's like 1,400 square feet. It's a beautiful ranch. So we just dropped the house today. This is what it looks like when we set the house, right? We're gonna do all this finishing work, drywall, flooring. But the house, as you can see, it's about 90% done. This cabinets are in, the microwaves even in the bathrooms. The bathrooms are already in. The bathrooms in, the counters in, the showers in. Finished flooring on this side, right? So one half of the modular, the floor is done, and then we have to finish the floor on this side of the house. So we're gonna have to put it down in this bedroom here. Here is some drywall that we'll use where the house is married together. Doors are in. Up here we have we have to put the fans. They gotta still go in. They just lifted the roof. So they're putting the roof together, putting the shingles on. This house will be weather tight within another hour or so. So we started this morning. We're here at 6 a.m. It is now, I think it's like 1 o'clock. This house is put down on the foundation. It's going to be weather tight. And then tomorrow they're going to come here and start doing all the finishing work, all the drywall, the flooring, fixtures that got to go up, the siding on the side of the house. They're siding on the front, but on the side where they